underground crypto.
Hey, it's the underground crypto back at it again. And my apologies for not putting out a video in the past few days. I wasn't feeling that well. Stella wasn't doing that well. Don't want to put a half-baked video out there. I want to give you good quality stuff. Anyway, we're back at it again. And where are the XLM bulls? Where are they? We see all these coins. Cardano, even though Cardano is another one of my favorite coins. I hodl Cardano, ADA. We see Cardano, these other coins, they're booming. And we're like, where are the XLM bulls? Either way, we are still bullish on Stellar XLM. And we're going to talk about that today. And also, I did see in the last video, there were some comments on automation. So we're going to look at two ways for automation. And I'll show other ways in the other videos. Some ways I will not show. You'll have to reach out to me. But we're going to do that. So that's the agenda for today's show. All right, so we're going to look at the overall market here. So the overall crypto market is down 7%. Here, still at 1.5 trillion. Bitcoin shaved off 9% in 24 hours. Master ETH down to 1,600. A great buy the dip opportunity. And Binance coin, that came out of nowhere. That's one coin I wish I picked up. I didn't pick up Binance coin. Polkadot, Cardano above $1. All the hodlers of Cardano, I know they're happy about that. I'm happy. Chainlink, Beastin, and Stella XLM, 43 cents. So overall, the market's down, and we're going to look at some reasons why it could potentially be down. So we're going to talk about that. But we want to know where the XLM bulls are. We should be, even with this correction that's happening right now, at 60 cents. Because it should be a bullish February for Stellar. Last bull run we were at 90 cents. We should be back at that point at this moment. So XLM bulls, show yourself. Put the bears to shame. All right, so we're going to look at potential reasons why, and I did mention this in the last video, and we're going to look at some reasons, and are they bullish or bearish to the cryptocurrency market? Because some may be bullish to the stock market, and some may be bearish to the stock market. So 10-year U.S. Treasury yield, a rising yield indicates falling demand for Treasury bond. So we can see here that it's rising. So that's bullish for the cryptocurrency market. Tomorrow, the Feds make a decision on interest rates. So that's tomorrow, Tuesday. So if interest rates go up, that's a cause for inflation fears, which is bullish for the cryptocurrency market, but bearish for the stock market. And for those who invest in the stock market, then, you know, you looked at your portfolio today like, what the heck? You know, and we looked at this before, and if that happens and inflation continues to rise, we'll be moving towards the zombie inflation. We don't want to be in the zombie inflation. So let's take a look at that tomorrow. Hopefully, Feds keep the rate where it's at. Bitcoin, fall in market liquidity. So that's a bearish signal. And we're going to look at the article on this. COVID concerns. Over 500,000 people in the United States died from it, and around the world they're dying. So that can have a bearish signal on the market, and stimulus and job concerns around the world. So that can have, depending on where it goes, a bullish or bearish direction for the cryptocurrency market. So if we look at the article where it says market liquidity is currently much lower for Bitcoin than in gold or the S&P 500, which implies that even small flows can have a large price impact. So that's what we're seeing today. Today we're seeing the price of the cryptocurrency market, Bitcoin old grandpa, take a dip. And just to finish up this article here, Bitcoin trading volumes are around 10 billion daily for the spot and futures market combined, compared with an equivalent figure of 100 billion for gold. That consistent with much lower liquidity in Bitcoin than in gold, he said. So this is having an impact on the market as we speak. So those are some reasons why you may be thinking, why is the market going down? Either way, as I mentioned, we are still bullish. We are still bullish on XLM Stellar. Still bullish on the other alt. We're going to look at some reasons why. And I think the last time I mentioned the assets under management for Stellar XLM. So that continues to climb. Continues to go up. And also, this is a great representation of the top 10 best performing leading tokens on KuCoin. So that's one of the top exchanges out there in the past 12 months. Past 12 months on KuCoin. ADA. Karate Kid ADA is a beast at 26.1x. Master ETH 22.7x. And Stellar, the sleeping giant, 22.7x. So even though we're at 43 cents, the performance is outstanding. And we're going to continue to see it climb to 60 cents, 75 cents, and towards $1. So this is a great graph representation of the best performing leading tokens on KuCoin. Old Grandpa, 13.9x. All right, so other great news for Stellar XLM. And this is a breaking news here. So the football coin, the digital economy for football worldwide. So the football coin is the token that monetizes all the attention given to football and enables a digital economy around the sport, benefiting all participants. So this is awesome news right here, and they utilize the Stellar network. So I'm gonna play a clip of this.
The football app TFA by Panda House is the first quality social network for football fans around the world. TFA was built to allow players, coaches, clubs, and fans to engage on a single platform. Here, the subject TFA implements a token, the football coin, TFC, on the Stellar blockchain. The football coin monetizes all the attention given to football and enables a digital.
So we could see it there on the Stellar blockchain. So more and more, the usage of Stellar network is fast, cheap, easy to get set up. It's one of the best out there. It is the best for the use case that we have. So this is awesome news. All right, so we're going to move on. And as I discussed before, you do want to set up your 3 cryptocurrency revenue streams. Not financial advice, not a financial advisor, for entertainment purposes only. But this is something that you should look to strive for. You could do some research. I'll show you some information on here. And a lot of people ask for feedback on automation. How can you set up automation? So we're going to look at that, and I'm going to show you a few examples of that. So residual income from automation, and some of these you probably know already, right? So you have mining, cloud mining. So we're going to look at an example of cloud mining. Staking, you know about already. You should know about already. Pool trading, copy trading, And number 6, Decentralized Hedge Fund using AI. And there's some others as well, but I'm just listing out a few right here. So these are some things that you can do to get residual income. And we're going to look at an example of Genesis-mining.com. So they've been out since, I think, 2013. And what they're saying here is they're the state-of-the-art. They have the state-of-the-art hardware for mining. It's already running. You choose your favorite cryptocurrency. Offers an easy and safe way to purchase hash power without having to deal with complex hardware and software setup. We offer hosted cryptocurrency mining services in a variety of mining-related solutions to small and large-scale customers. So this is awesome right here. So this is one example of getting your automation in place here. And the bad news about this, though, is for Genesis Mining and a lot of the mining farms, it's sold out because everyone jumped on it already. I know there's some that are still available, but you can see some of the prices here and everything. So out of stock. And they also provide you information here if you go on there, questions and answers, answering a lot of different questions, but also what's your output? You know, what will you get paid? So it provides you the answers to that. And you can go on whattomine.com and you can enter in your hash rate that you'll be purchasing, the power, block reward, cost, hardware cost, and the Bitcoin value, because depending on the value or the coin that you're mining, you can earn up to $122 for the week there. In a month, over $500. So this is one example of gaining money through cryptocurrency, through automation, not having to trade. Because sometimes trading can be risky, can be nerve-wracking. You just have it work its magic for you. Right, so let's go back here so you can check that out. Also, since that one is sold out, there is also another one here that you can check out. It's called bitdeer.com. So they also have mining as well. So you can see some of their prices here. So bitdeer.com, you can check that out. All right. Also, number 6, Decentralized Hedge Fund using AI. So this one is exciting. It's a creative way for you to gain residual income and not have to trade. You just sit back and watch your money flow, increase. And it's similar to a hedge fund, but it's using the AI system and it's decentralized, so using cryptocurrency. So with that, you can go to Decentralized Hedge Fund here, and what they promise is earn an average of 10% a month, and this is based on past performance. So it could be higher as well. So the hedge fund autonomously ran by an artificial intelligence, AI, and this works. And I know there's a lot of scams out there that you have to look out for and everything like that. But this one here, this one is legit. It works, and you could look on YouTube and see other people gain a lot of money from it. And what I'm going to do is I started this separate account here, and we're going to see how it grows over time. So if I go to my dashboard, did this as of yesterday for this video, so you can see from the $20 that I put in, I already have $1. So we're going to start this account at $20. I may put in some more money here and there, but we're going to see if this grows. Right? So the past performance for last month was 14.24%. And we're going to see if this grows, because you may be skeptical. And we're going to see if this works for me, underground crypto, then it will work for you. And once again, it uses AI, smart technology, trades on the cryptocurrency exchange, and it can spot out the best trades. So that's how they're able to get these high percentage wins here. So these are two examples of how you can set up residual income using automation. And when you do that, you can use the money to do day trades if you like, to earn more money, or increase your HODL stash bag, your long-term holding bag. All right, so let me know if you know of any other residual income that you're currently doing or planning to do, and you can share with the community. I'll share it on this channel here. And also for the giveaway, I think I'll be doing that when the website launches, so stay tuned for that. Where are the XLM bulls? Let me know. Are you an XLM bull? Or are you bearish on XLM with the current and weekly performance? I'm still bullish. All right, that's a wrap. Stand clear of the closing doors. The next stop for Stellar is the moon. Let's get it.
We don't have that much competition. They would use Stellar to make their payments faster.